Today, I have a simple Central American recipe you are sure to love. What is happening, everyone? Thank you for tuning in once again to my channel. Today, we're gonna make a Gallo Pinto. Alright, as you saw, my vegetables were all chopped up. I'm using black beans that I soaked overnight. That is very important. Even if you're using the pressure cooker, it makes your life so much easier. I combined all the vegetables and I got the vegetable broth going, and I'm gonna give it a good mix right here. Alright, and then you want to cook that, pressure cook that, alright? And this is the result that you get. Alright, those beans are absolutely delicious, trust me. Alright, they're gonna be perfect for our Gallo Pinto. Alright, now we have the rice. I use water. You can use broth if you like. Broth gives it a little bit more flavor. Alright, but I went ahead and used water. Now go ahead, you can use a pressure cooker for the rice or a rice cooker. Sit on your rice setting, go ahead and cook that. Now we're gonna make the Lizano sauce. Alright, this is a great companion to the Gallo Pinto. Alright, Lizano sauce is absolutely delicious. I had no idea. This is my first time actually trying it, and you have no idea until you try how good it is. Alright, you can add all your ingredients to a food processor. You can also buy this purchased in the store, but for me, I like to make most of my things at home, right? Because it gives better flavor, and that is how it's supposed to look like when it's all done. Put it in the mason jar, go ahead and put it in the fridge so you're ready to use. Now go ahead and use your Costa Rican or Nicaraguan coffee, because you know we stay authentic around here. Alright, freshly ground beans for a fresh roast to go along with your Gallo Pinto. Alright, now I made the tortillas from scratch, because you know when you make these corn tortillas from scratch, it's just a totally different ball game. You can buy your corn tortillas, but if you want to have a better taste, I suggest you make them yourself. It's worth the work. It's worth the time, and when you taste it, you will know what I'm talking about. Alright, as you can see, I put it on the grill. I cooked them, and once I was done, I removed them, set them aside, because you know after we're done with the tortillas, you know we gotta make these plantains over here. So we go ahead and get these plantains. I cut them up like this. You cut them up however you want. Now when I cooked my plantains, I cooked them in coconut oil because I thought that those two flavors would go well together. Little hints of coconut with the bananas, I think it's great. So you want to cook them until you get that golden brown color right there that you see. You move them, and you get the eggs, because we're almost done with this plate. And I like my eggs over easy for this one. And after I'm done with that, I go ahead and build my plate with the rice, restaurant style. Look at that, it's just set up so nice and beautiful. Look at the steam coming out of there. Then I got the plantains, tortillas, egg, avocado, Lizano. Boom! Look at that. The Gallo Pinto. Just, you know, don't forget, it needs to have that cup of coffee to complete it. Thank you once again for joining me. Like and subscribe if you like this, and I have more to come for you in the future. Have a great one.